Welcome back on this exciting episode of Vitiated's How To. Boy, it's just going to be a fun day. This is the easy of the two. Okay, doke. So, what I have a problem with is I have no cruise control, which is kind of a pain in my ass. My wife doesn't quit bitching about not having cruise control. So, as you can see there, I got 3 lights on. Well, actually, I got more than that, but I know what those are. Those 3 there. I did some digging around and discovered it was a speed sensor. Well, it ain't too big of a deal. Trying to figure out what happened, so I'm guessing something malfunctioned. So, what I did was, it's a relatively simple fix. But everybody said it's a 10mm, and it's not. I took the fender well out. You have to or you don't have to, whichever one you want to do. Because videos are inconsistent with people and their idiocy. It's right there. Mine got broke off somehow or another. I don't know how, but it's an 8mm. But I do know. So that's all you do with that. And this is the cable. And you just follow it up to right there. Take a pair of needle nose. And you just pull that off. Here's what you gotta do. That little silver wire right there, you gotta push both sides of it down. If you notice right there, come on. See how it goes down on both sides? Push that tab down. Let's see if I can do this again. And it comes right out. Easy greasy. And then you just disconnect that. There's supposed to be another one right there, but I think that's what happened. Mine fell off, so I'm just gonna zip tie it. So yada yada. So, and a little side note, I said this was an 8mm Torx. If you have a Cobalt set, like I have, it automatically came reverse Torx, so I didn't have to go buy nothing extra. And I only paid $50 for a 200 and some piece set. Clearance. Okay, after you get it hooked up, this is mine, the one I bought off Amazon, and it's much different than that one. And I don't have the little piece down here that's missing, so I'm what happened to it. So what I did was, I ran it to there, went from there. That's the piece open. And then I took a piece of 12 gauge Romex, since I had it extra, and I kind of clamped it like that, and I put it back in. Really nothing to it. You don't have to take both fender wells off, both sides of them. I didn't. I don't know why they do. It's kind of annoying, because I mean the only bolts that hold the two together is those two, and they're 10mm. When you pull this one off, because I pulled the whole thing off, make it easy for me. There's 2 10mm down there too. And you got all the damn push pins. And that one there too. And y'all know about that one. Huh. So now, what I'm doing, I'm making sure all the lights are gone. I didn't pull the key out like I should have. I just left it in there, so I'm gonna pull it out. Yeah, you like my jack stand? Pull it out, hit lock, and unlock. It tends to reset everything. I still have some of the same damn codes and I don't know why. So I guess I'll have to look some more. Let's see what the hell the deal is. Because it'd be my luck, there's probably 2 of them ripped off. But I'm gonna try to see if I can clear them. Nope. So, well, that's how you do it. So I gotta find out what my other problem is. Alright, on contrary to everything you read, for the reset the ESP light, the way it works on a 08 GL450 driving with bounce is you put the wheel sensor in, you put everything back together, and you drive at about 500 to 1,000 feet, and it resets everything. So that's what I did. I talked to a mechanic, the one that put the transfer case back together for me, and that's what he said to do, and that's what I did, and as you can see, it fixed it. So you ain't got to spend $200 on a damn scanner to reset it. You can do it yourself. So, thanks for stopping by.